Well, me sure say what it be as say Kumasi Asante Kotoko any MTN Ayonko Fano say Babijinem, which is they are coming to sponsor Kumasi Asante Kotoko again way around 2019 2020. And I say photo no ebeda or screen so mesa they up to swam Sunny yes Sunny no and player back still now that's all Kotoko a justice play on no photo and now the details about MTN everything a report, but this is what we've learned and this is what we've been told and on a bro or Super 24 TV. This particular photo I on screen so no a June this year, July, August, September. So 3 months now. And you can a photo. Brad, the new CEO of MTN. Appointing no. And omodene eba menshia together with regional and some corporate executives members. And omo be introduce no ma menshia. After that, and nkomodie esha say once the Kotoko Adakojachi project, MTN, and I did that so during Dr. KK's upon time as far as 2013, say Omobesa project, and I KK's upon free ho, and my project is like here. My main for way, on Wednesday, to say that I make June 2024. 26. The Chief Executive Officer of MTN, Stephen Belworth, paid a courtesy visit to Asante Kotoko to Adamansia Palace. He was accompanied by executives including Mrs. Ajoy Free, Chief Corporate Service and Sustainability Officer Ni Odoy Mingle, Northern Regional Sector General Manager Ajoa Ban, and Northern Sector and Senior Manager for Retail Experience. Omo ena eba menshia on 26 no. So na omo bae no na omo be share menshia na introduce omo to otumfo say to sad day no na information is say nkomodie no to get Kumasi Asante Kotoko back as mobile sponsor no ehya ase eno still na ejina mo no, but the focus is on getting Adakojachi done and na nkomuwi ananka omudin atoso, but it is yet to be finalized according to Penya and Nenumene Kasaye no. But in Comodini, the or say no cresse a chassis since our modern new CEO nearby. It is still now more human terms, a bibia a coportia, tortia, or I had deal no bit my broker, na MTN Asaba. So this is the information Yama Mensa a on that.